Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well through this virus thing. And so with that, of course, we're doing virtual training or virtual labs. And today we're going to be talking about rear window defogger or de-icer or whatever you want to call them. I will tell you that this is my truck, and this thing doesn't work. I noticed last winter when I turned on my rear window defogger that it wouldn't clear any ice or any frost or anything like that whatsoever. So I'm going to take you through the steps of diagnosing this thing, and hopefully we'll figure out what's going on. I have a suspicion, but let's see if we can figure it out first. Okay, so I've kind of set things up already. Notice that the voltmeter is attached to this. If we go over here, see if I can get a shot of this. There is one connector there that goes into the rear window defogger. It is the ground side, and I'll discuss that here in a little bit. Noticed I pulled this corner pillar trim out of the way to get to it, which wasn't too bad. Just removed a cover and one screw, and I was able to pull this back. Fortunately, my hands are small enough to where I can get back in there. Let's go around to the other side of the truck. So over here, I've done the same thing, and I have my positive lead hooked up here. So let's turn it on and see what happens. Okay, so there it is. So it flashed on, and now it's telling me that it's on. So let's take a look at our DVOM. Okay, so we're showing 14.33 volts. Of course, the truck is running, and so this is a source voltage. So obviously, we've already diagnosed everything to be good back to this point. So how do we know that we have our leads connected properly? And that's going to be a question we'll discuss whenever I'm showing you this online. So what I want to do now is pull my positive lead off. And do some more measuring. All right, here we go. Here's my positive lead. And so what I want to do is start checking these grids over here. Okay, so here's my voltage going through here. 0.1 volts. Now that's interesting. Okay, there's not much of a voltage drop there. That kind of concerns me. Let's go over here. This is my sliding window. Let's take a look at it. Oh, not much change. Okay, now let's go over here and see what we have. Oh wow, look at that. So that should be a real clue as to what's going on with my rear window defogger. These readings are not proper. And I would like for you to explain to me why that is. Okay? Once again, this is on the ground side, I'm checking the grids on the ground side, and we don't have voltage drop, or very little. But when I get over here to this side, I have a lot. Okay? So think about that for a little bit, and let's talk about why this is the case.